Here is this guy, Ebenezer E. Lewis. He served as High Private in Company I of the 11th Illinois Infantry and later in the 4th Illinois Cavalry. He arrived in Sioux City in 1870, and upon his arrival, he began a law practice. Lots of lawyers up here. He was appointed United States Commissioner of Northern Iowa from 1872 to 1878. He was Master in Chancery of the United States Circuit Court from 1874 until his death. Fun fact about E.E. Lewis, he was the owner of one of the most valuable private libraries in Iowa and had a prized collection of old Bibles. So, Ebenezer E. Lewis. I've done some research on the knots up here. I don't think they're Celtic in origin. I think they are just truly decorative. I know he was born in England, and so it's possible they may have some Celtic moniker that I don't know of. But as far as I know, just decoration.
Where are the Bibles now?
I have no idea.
Oh.
That was one of the fun facts as we were looking through newspaper clippings. We just found that he had one of the largest extensive private libraries. I would imagine somewhere near the Historical Society, I would hope, would have some of them.